So I'm doing another bike check because I destroyed my Subrosa. I was off-roading with it and I went off a jump that was a little bit too high and I destroyed my ankle and also destroyed my bike. So I got a new one. It's not as light or as good. It's almost as good, but it's not as good. But I still like it. It's a good bike. So I guess let's name off the parts. It's a 2011 DiamondBack. I don't really know the company name or like the name that it was given. So, okay. So yeah, 2011 DiamondBack. It's glossy black frame. Let's see. It's a 32 tooth sprocket. Rant black cranks. Black metal DiamondBack off-road pedals. Your feet will not fall off of those. They literally glue your feet into place until you take them off. I guess we'll go with the back first. It's a 20 by 1.85 Kenda keyboard style tire with the laced, and it's a Y22X rim, black. Let's see. Gold Joytech hub with a 13 tooth Odyssey back sprocket. Black DiamondBack seats, that's stock. It's not a 3-piece crank. I'm getting that soon. I can't wait to get that. Let's see. Black DiamondBack bars with the specialized grips that you can get. I forget what they're called. The professional stem, a 4-crane headset. It has the olden style gyro mounts. DiamondBack black forks. Front is a Rant front hub with let's see. That's another Kenda tire. It's a 20 by what is it? 20 by 2.25 off-road tire. I like my bigger tires in front because I usually land on my front tire. Let's see what else. I think that's it. Did I get everything? I don't know what else there is. Yeah, I think I got everything. Bike is about 29 pounds. Yeah, it's a little heavy, but it works for me. I still get plenty of height on bunny hops and whatnot. Oh, and I forgot the chain. It's just a standard chain. It's not the one that came with it. It's a KMC uncolored chain. But yeah, it's a great bike. It's not the best replacement in the world, but it'll do for now until I get some cash. So yeah, thanks for watching.